Let's dive straight in. The ninth item on the list is dinosaur ooze. Picture discovering a soft substance within the ancient bone of a T-Rex, dating back 68 million years. This ancient leg bone revealed its secrets when scientist Mary Schweitzer examined it. She plunged the irreplaceable dinosaur bone into a pool of bubbling acid. However, the discovery inside completely redefined our understanding of fossils. Within this ancient bone lies real soft tissue, blood vessels that possess the flexibility of a rubber band, still able to stretch and bend. She stumbled upon what appeared to be crimson blood cells. This is completely unexpected. Soft tissue is expected to vanish quicker than your workout drive. It appears that the iron in the dinosaur's blood functioned as a natural preservative, similar to formaldehyde. It essentially transformed the T-Rex into a mummified Egyptian animal. The dinosaur unintentionally preserved itself from within. The mind-blowing discovery was met with skepticism by numerous scientists initially. There it was, stretchy dinosaur goo, just like a rubber band. Next time you visit a museum and see a T-Rex skeleton, imagine the possibility of finding ancient jelly concealed within the bones. Number 8. The 95% that remains invisible. Only 5% of the universe that's out there is what we currently know, and the rest remains a mystery. Scientists have unraveled the mind-blowing fact that a whopping 95% of the universe remains hidden from our view. These unseen forces are known by scientists as dark matter and dark energy. Galaxies rely on it to prevent them from spinning out of control, just like a blender needs a lid to keep everything in place. The only reason we know it exists is because galaxies aren't bursting like cosmic fireworks. And let's not forget about dark energy. And to top it off, this one is even more bizarre. Comprising a whopping 68% of the cosmos, this mysterious force behaves like a celestial energy drink, propelling the universe to expand at an ever-accelerating pace. Picture inflating a balloon adorned with stickers of the cosmos. When you blow, watch the stickers separate from each other. Dark energy is expanding our universe like a balloon being inflated, but there's no one holding the pump. It's unfolding organically. We are completely baffled by the source of this energy. Researchers stumbled upon this revelation by chance, now facing the daunting task of explaining how they overlooked 95% of the known universe. Planet 7, the mysterious missing planet. In the 1800s, astronomers made a strange discovery about Mercury's orbit. It didn't move in the way that physics would expect. Instead of considering the possibility that their understanding of gravity was flawed, they immediately posited the existence of another planet tugging on Mercury, dubbing it Vulcan. For years, scientists have tirelessly searched for a mysterious planet lurking between Mercury and the Sun. One French astronomer boldly declared he witnessed it passing in front of the Sun. Despite being awarded France's highest honor for his discovery, he was likely just staring at a sunspot. For half a century, astronomers insisted they had caught a glimpse of Vulcan. It felt as though we were all playing the ultimate game of ice spy with endless deception. Next, Einstein arrives on the scene with his groundbreaking theory of relativity, effortlessly elucidating the mysteries of Mercury's orbit. As it happens, space is actually curved and twisted, resembling a massive cosmic trampoline. In the end, it turned out that no planet was missing. For 50 years, astronomers tirelessly hunted for the elusive, ultimately non-existent entity. It's like searching for your phone when you're already on a call. Number 6. When chaos reigns supreme. Picture two planets gracefully twirling around each other in the vast expanse of space. They gracefully glide in endless orbits, creating a mesmerizing cosmic dance that never ceases. Scientists are fascinated by their ability to accurately forecast the precise positions of these planets at any given moment. But then, someone had the genius idea of adding one more planet, and chaos ensued. Out of nowhere, these three celestial bodies began behaving like rowdy teenagers at a wild party. Each of them tugs at the other two with its irresistible gravitational pull. The movements become so unpredictable and chaotic that not even our most advanced computers can foresee the outcome. This discovery, known as the three-body problem, shattered scientists' hopes of a perfectly predictable universe. Picture spending generations believing you are finally on the verge of unlocking all the secrets of the universe. Imagine three mysterious balls appearing out of nowhere in space, taunting you with the idea that they are impossible to understand. This unpredictability manifests itself in everything from the weather to the stock market to the frustrating tangling of your headphones in your pocket. The universe doesn't run like a flawless clock. Think of it as a colossal dance floor in the universe. The dreaded number 5. The universe's most disastrous forecast. Picture yourself being incredibly mistaken about something, not just slightly, or even by a substantial margin. You're way off the mark. It's so big that Jeff Bezos' bank account pales in comparison. This is exactly what unfolded when scientists attempted to foresee the amount of energy that exists in empty space. They were off by a staggering 120 decimal places. Scientists combined their two top theories, quantum mechanics and general relativity. In the wild world of quantum mechanics, empty space is a non-stop party where particles burst into being, boogie briefly, then vanish in a blink. Picture the tiniest rave that never ends. According to general relativity, this energy has the power to bend and distort the very fabric of space. By merging these theories, scientists essentially found the complete solution. The forecast predicted an explosion of energy in the universe quicker than a teenager's social life, spiraling out of control after a cringe-worthy TikTok post. However, when scientists took real measurements, they discovered that empty space contains energy equivalent to that of a lethargic sloth. This monumental mistake in the history of science has been dubbed the vacuum catastrophe by scientists. The mystery lies in why these highly precise theories completely contradict each other when combined. The fourth topic we'll be discussing is the fascinating dilemma of Pluto. Astronomers stumbled upon a discovery in 2005 that made Pluto seem like the smallest student in class pictures. In the far reaches of our solar system, astronomers stumbled upon Eris, a massive chunk of icy space rock rivaling Pluto in size, calmly drifting through space. This groundbreaking find sparked the most epic split in the history of astronomy. Scientists began to discover that there could be hundreds of other objects similar in size to Pluto in our solar system. Picture yourself learning about 200 planets in school instead of just 9. In 2006, astronomers shook up the definition of what qualifies as a planet. The first rule is that you must be circular. Pluto sailed right by. Rule number 2, it's mandatory to revolve around the sun. Pluto also breezed through this one. Rule number 3 states that you must possess the strength to push aside other objects in your orbit. And that's how Pluto completely flopped. Pluto was suddenly stripped of its planetary status and labeled as a dwarf planet. Teachers had to go on a mission to remove Pluto from all their solar system posters. It was a breakup on a universal scale that left classrooms in chaos. But Pluto pays no attention. It's out there, doing its own thing and likely chuckling at us and our classification chaos. Coming in at number 3, we have the enigmatic phenomenon known as the leaky black hole. Picture the ultimate force in the cosmos, an all-powerful cosmic vacuum that not even light can break free from. Look, it's a black hole. Scientists believed they had everything solved. Then Stephen Hawking shocked the world by revealing that black holes actually emit radiation. These alleged flawless cages of light and matter are really more akin to leaky buckets. Particles are always bursting into existence at the boundary of each black hole. One particle plunges in as its companion makes a daring escape into the vast unknown of space. These fleeing particles gradually lead to the black hole's disappearance in success. Happens to all the details about the things that went down. In the world of quantum mechanics, information is immortal and cannot be obliterated. It's like attempting to set fire to a book. Even if you burn it to ashes, the essence of the original message remains intact. However, when it comes to black holes, it appears that information simply disappears. This gave rise to what scientists have dubbed the information paradox. It's like the physics version of attempting to divide by zero. Either our comprehension of gravity is flawed, or quantum mechanics is flawed, or both. This discovery indicates a fundamental disagreement. Coming in at a close second, we have the one and only cosmic speed limit. The universe's speed cap is 186,282 meters per second. This enforcement isn't like your typical highway patrol. It's powered by the laws of physics. Before Einstein's groundbreaking discoveries, scientists believed that endless acceleration in space was possible. However, he soon realized that attempting to reach that speed led to some strange occurrences. The faster you speed up, the more weight you'll feel. Imagine trying to push a shopping cart that becomes heavier with each step you take. As you approach the speed of light, the shopping cart would become heavier than the Earth itself. If you were able to travel at the speed of light, your mass would become limitless. This groundbreaking discovery made a mockery of every sci-fi writer's wildest dreams. Ready to soar through the stars at light speed? At top speed, it would still take you a staggering 100,000 years to complete a journey across our galaxy. Light moves at the speed of light because it is weightless. Running at high speeds feels effortless when you're not weighed down by baggage. This is the likely reason why aliens have not not paid us a visit. They are currently trapped in a gridlock of celestial proportions. Firstly, the water that wasn't water that wasn't. Picture stumbling upon a revolutionary liquid that can transform regular water into a viscous substance with just a single touch. That's precisely what Soviet scientists believed they had discovered in the 1960s. They dubbed it polywater, the sinister counterpart of regular water. This material was incredibly dense, thick, and simply wouldn't freeze or boil as expected. Its temperature would reach a scorching 400 degrees Fahrenheit before boiling. That heat will have your instant noodles ready in the blink of an eye. Scientists from all corners of the globe were absolutely blown away by this groundbreaking discovery. They believed they had discovered a miraculous water that could magically multiply simply by contact. It felt as though we were facing a flood of epic proportions, resembling a scene straight out of a zombie apocalypse. But after all the buzz and crazy theories, do you want to know the truth about polywater? Plain water mixed with sweat and soap leftovers from filthy lab gear. Absolutely. These genius researchers essentially found out that the water was contaminated, discovering a strange substance in your fridge, only to realize it's just some forgotten leftovers from last month. Next time you make a mistake at work, just think about how you didn't fool everyone into believing you found magic water. That wraps up today's session. In the days ahead, you can expect more videos like this from me. Don't miss out. Subscribe now to catch all the action.